This is an introductory video about the registration to the Teaching Quality Assurance of AUIS. So to register, you will have to first visit this website here, auis-tqa.com, and then you'll need to register your full name here, okay, and then your AUIS email. You don't need to write the full email, just the identifier. For example, here I'm using the TQA. So TQA at auis.edu.krd. You do not need to retype this part. And then you'll select a password, a minimum of 8 characters. And then you press the submit button and you'll get this message. Now you'll have to check your email address to make sure you have received an email to verify your account. Please first check your inbox. If you can't find the email in your inbox, then you'll have to check your spam folder here. Okay. In my case, it's in the inbox here. Verify email. So once you press the activate button, you will log in to the system. This is the end of part 1. Thanks.